With over 60,000 positive reviews, this is one of the most recipes on my website. I am Homesteader, and it is roasted jalapeno popper grilled cheese. So it starts with the jalapenos. I choose to take out the seeds. You can leave them in if you like a little extra heat. That's where the heat is. And then put them in the oven and roast them. And then you move on to making the cream cheese part of this sandwich. And it's just cream cheese and some spices, but it gets mixed with those chopped up roasted jalapenos. So good. I mean, you could eat that by the spoon if you happen to love jalapenos as much as we do. You're gonna start assembling your grilled cheese sandwich. So it's butter on one side, the cream cheese mixture on the other, lots of bacon, nice and crispy in the oven, lots of cheese. I like to shred it myself. And then straight into the pan, and you want to cook that until it is golden brown on all sides. And then you got to do this pull test, because is it even a good recipe if you don't have an awesome cheese pull? Check it out on